you babies sleeping? Or are you babies sleeping still? Do you want some breakfast? Do you want some breakfast, Mama? Huh? You can stay right there. You can stay right there. Yeah. Do you want some breakfast? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna touch you. You don't have to worry. I'm not gonna touch you. Your baby's wondering where you went. Hmm? Your baby's still sleeping? Are they? Are they still sleeping? Oh my goodness. Say good morning, babies. I'll leave. I'll bring you some breakfast and I'll leave, okay?